I look like a founding father again, but if you can't tell, I'm getting ready to start getting ready for the day. I have a super exciting day planned today, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along because something just popped in my mouth. I'm going back home and I'm gonna be getting a tattoo and seeing my friends from back home, and I'm just really, really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready now. Decide if I want to use the Shane Dawson palette. The colors in here are super nice. I think I'm gonna do something natural. Well, shocker, I know, right? I think I'm gonna do My Pills, Tanacon, Diet Ruby, or Just a Theory maybe. Which are the top row right there. I don't know. If you guys have this palette, what do you use it for? Like, what colors do you use? Let me know some of your favorite looks and colors in the comments below, because I need to use this more than I have. My hair's been I need to get my hair oil back, but I'm just gonna put some deodorant and some perfume on. Since I'm going home, I thought I'd break out the big guns. I'm gonna wear my fancy girl perfume for Macy and Taylor and Quinn, I guess, because she's gonna be all up in my business tattooing me. But I really love this perfume. It was very expensive, but I'm really glad that I bought it. Like, I've used a little bit of it, but a little bit of it goes a long way. Highly suggest. It's very expensive, I know that, but I got it with 20% off, I'm pretty sure. So you know how I was looking for stuff to organize the cabinets? I got these off Amazon. It was like a 7-pack for like $30. This isn't the most organized place in our house. Like, it's not organized at all. But that section down there just makes me so happy. It looks so good. You know, I used to make fun of people who had those like plastic things in their house. I thought they were a waste of money. But now that I own a house and like I'm trying to like make everything functional, I totally understand when people have those. It makes 100% sense. I thought they were stupid. I'm like, why don't you just keep the cereal in the box? But the cereal box takes up way more space. Like, our cereal boxes didn't fit in there. So I think I'm actually gonna order another pack of the same ones. I think there was like 7 of them for $28, and that should help us organize a lot of the stuff that we need to organize. And I used to make fun of people, but I've changed my ways. We have a problem. I think my chair's broke. Like, even worse than it was before. I cannot get this wheel off. Because I can't get this wheel off, I can't safely put it in my car. And I don't know what to do because my car is tiny. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is very unsafe. Like, it's very unsafe. Like, I cannot drive like this. I'm gonna try to drive to Jacob's work real quick and see if he can help me figure something out, but I'm stressing out. This chair has been breaking so much lately, and it's really, really starting to stress me out. He fixed it! Woohoo! No, it like got rust or something, and he had to like pull really hard. It's gonna get oil all over me, but now that that's taken care of, we're heading on our way. We're only 20 minutes behind schedule, but I think we're still gonna be on time. I made it, you guys. Parking here sucks so bad, but I made it. I just finished getting tattooed. I forget how bad it hurts until I start getting tattooed, but that one was right in the bend of my elbow, and thankfully it was not as bad as I was expecting. But I got a few clips of me doing it, but I didn't want it. It's a weird, awkward to have my hand all spread out and trying to be vlogging, so that's why I didn't get a lot in there. But I'm on my way now to go have dinner at Texas Roadhouse with my friends Macy and Taylor, and I'm super hungry and I'm super excited to see both of them, so I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna go ahead and head that way. So I'm just now leaving dinner with my friends. I ended up dropping my friend Taylor off. I didn't film because I haven't seen them in a while, and it's also really awkward to vlog in public, so I wanted to check in because I'm getting ready to head home now. My tattoo, I have Sanoderm on, and I've never used Sanoderm before, so I'm really excited because I see a lot of people talking about it in my tattoo group that I'm in, so I'm really excited to see like how it heals and stuff like that. I have a little bit of bruising right there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but I did bruise a little bit, so I got a tea for the road, and now I'm gonna head home and see Jacob. We should be getting our new desks tonight, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna get headed on our way home because it's about 8 o'clock and I have about a 2-hour drive home, so I don't want to be getting home super late because I work in the morning. So I will catch up with you guys when I get. Guys, hi. That's Jacob's desk that just came in. He's gonna be bringing in my desk very shortly. I also got my Amazon package today. I ordered some film. I got one of those Instax mini cameras on Black Friday. I don't know if I ever showed it, but I took my first little Polaroid picture with it. Today marks 1 year of Jacob and I being engaged. So I took this little picture of us and I bought like a photo album to put these in because I have like a 20 pack so that they weren't just like randomly thrown around my house, and I'm really excited. This is the first one I've taken with my camera. So this is that book that I got. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it wasn't that expensive on Amazon. We can just put our pictures in it. I don't know. Also, this print I've talked about on Instagram, but it's from the Crybaby Club. Go check them out on Instagram. Super awesome. I really, really like this print, and we finally hung it up in our office, so I'm really excited. So it's clearly the next morning, but Jacob said this took forever to put together, so that's my new desk. We're gonna end up scooting it down and then scooting this one down so that they kind of form like a L shape, and then we'll have that corner over there that we're gonna put the cat tree in. But I'm so excited. I've been wanting this desk for the longest time, and I finally got it. And I wanted to have like a home office for the longest time, and I finally got it. Jacob, do you care if I show you? This is Jacob's desk. We just woke up, so sorry. His is like long and black. That's what she said.
Big black desk.
Your big black desk. And that's his 3D printer that I got him for Christmas that he's supposed to wrap that he hasn't yet. And yes, I'm having him wrap his own present because it's really big and heavy and I can't. So, and that's gonna go like right there. But I'm super, super excited with how this is looking so far. Please ignore me because like I said, we just woke up, but we're gonna get some more tattoo flash from my tattoo artist to put on the wall, like right where my desk is, even though I'm gonna scoot it down. We got a couple more things that we're gonna finalize in here, but our office is almost done and I'm really, really, really excited about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know that it's the next morning, but I wanted to show you guys these desks put together. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a comment below and thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.